I'm a test pilot currently with the Air Force, and I'm getting ready to enter a PhD program in engineering and flight research.
And I work from home. I'm an associate director of sales for a digital marketing company.
Are you happy to be here finally?
I think we met when we were, I guess we probably were 14.
And started dating right after college. I'm the most type A. As a test pilot, you have to be pretty exact on certain parameters you're trying to hit. So type A helps in that regard. Elizabeth is the dreamer in our family, I think. She keeps pushing for new adventures. I just love spending time with her in general.
We have 2 little girls. Annie just turned 5, and Cece, who is 3.
And then we have 2 dogs who are insane.
Up until now, we've been moving all the time. We moved to Texas together, followed by North Carolina, Idaho, California, Florida, and now we're headed to Iowa. We'll be here for 3 straight years as he does this PhD program.
What are you guys looking for out there?
Victorian, kind of along those lines. I love when it just got all kinds of character built in already. There are so many of those older houses in this area. I would love to try to find something like that if we could.
I kind of like the Craftsman field, and they're more open, and it's a lot easier to get that natural light in, I think, with an open plan. I think less upkeep overall.
Yeah.
I don't want anything that we have to work on a lot because I'm gonna be busy. I want to keep it as low stress as possible.
There could be a house that fits a lot of our criteria but needs a little bit of work, and that's an area too where I'm willing to spend a little bit.
How many bedrooms do you want?
4 bedrooms acceptable, 5 beds desired.
I would love to have a 5th bedroom because you guys know right now my office is in the guest room. So when you guys are there, I'm kicking you out in the mornings or I'm on top of you. I know that you really want the RV parking, but I hate the idea of that being out front. That's such an eyesore.
We love camping. That escape is our favorite thing. The girls absolutely love it.
So our camper is a pull behind. We need to find somewhere to park it. If we don't find camper parking, then we're gonna have to pay for a lot at a monthly rate, and that eats into your budget. I think I'm comfortable with a maximum of about 400,000. I know we have double income right now, but that can always change.
The level of frugality
Yep.
makes me a little crazy.
Yep.
I'd pay a little bit more for something that we know we're gonna get to really enjoy.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Glad you found it okay.
Yes, we did. It's a cute neighborhood.
It is such a nice
Yeah.
neighborhood. Come on in. You wanted lots of daylight. This is huge windows, so you'll have
Yeah,
plenty
that's
of-
true. All very gray, but we can.
I like it.
I want to find something that satisfies both of them. The only issue is they want different things. Victorian versus Craftsman. Neither one really exists in this market unless you up the price range, so we're just gonna have to make some concessions, and this is a ranch, but it has been fabulously updated. Here we have this awesome remodeled kitchen.
Yeah, it's a good size.
I am concerned about where the table is going, the dining room table.
Yeah, I mean, our table's
There's no real
Really big.
good dedicated space for it unless you're blocking this whole
Yeah, I
space. And I
almost
like
think
having it open. That's why I think we should put it in the front.
that would be so strange to walk into. Like that's
People
just-
eat in their front room all the time.
if it's a dining room, but it's
Just make it a dining room.
it's not.
Just call it the dining room, and now it's a dining room.
I don't know. What do you think?
I think it would be weird.
Thank you.
right.
Thank you.
I'm outvoted.
This looks really pretty in here.
I like the fireplace, that's nice.
Yeah, I like
That's
this.
a good space. I
Yeah.
like the beams.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
This is really great out here. Wow.
Privacy fence back there.
Yep.
Yeah.
The fence over here definitely needs some work.
Oh yeah, because the dogs will be out there in
No
a
time.
second.
If we want to redo the fence completely,
Yeah, that's true.
that's going to be several thousand.
Yeah.
It's a good sized yard.
This is a nice size. I mean, you could stick a trampoline over here.
I could put the camper back here.
I don't know how that would possibly work.
That's a perfect fit
There's
right
no
there.
way. There's no way to get that back here.
We could just
Around
get
the
a
side?
crane,
Right. I mean, how are
bring it over
how are
here.
you getting the camper back here?
I wonder if we could make a wide swinging fence on the side and drive it back. I think we'd have to pave it.
I've looked into it. It's maybe $40 or $50 a month to park it somewhere, and he's talking about paving the backyard. That's gonna cost far more than we're gonna spend monthly to just store it down the street.
Nice big family
I
room.
like the space. I can see them doing sleepovers down here.
Yeah.
And building forts and having their own space.
That's true, that would
We
be
can keep
fun.
all the clutter down here.
Yep.
We could
Toys
try.
and-
Yeah.
So this is bedroom number 4.
Okay. This is a nice little guest area.
That's good.
This could be your future office.
Okay.
Unfinished floor and trim. How do you feel
Okay.
about that?
It's gonna cost money It's gonna take time.
I mean, it's nice that it's here.
Right.
It is its
Yeah.
own separate space. I can
Right.
shut the door and work.
I don't think we can count it as a pro. That's gonna be a stressor,
Yeah.
trying to move in, move all our stuff in, and have a project on our hands.
Yeah.
Check out the bathrooms
Okay.
on the right.
Okay.
This would be nice for your office.
This
You
is
could
a
just
nice
walk right next
size,
door.
Yeah.
The shared bathroom is to your left.
Oh, that's little. There is a tub, but it's not a big tub. So it'd be one of the girls' rooms then?
Yep.
Okay.
Your other daughter's room would
Okay.
be over here. Well, because you've got
Smaller, right?
It is smaller.
But
There's
you've got
a
these
lot of.
bookshelves.
Yeah, those are really
That's
cute.
nice.
So check out the primary bedroom straight ahead.
A little small, a lot smaller than our current bedroom.
Yeah, we'd have to get creative with it, I think.
Yeah.
These
How about-
are really cute, though. This is.
It's not a walk-in closet, but
It's not, but it's charm.
yeah,
So I like
definitely
that.
has some charm.
Ooh, this is a lot smaller than we're used to. I don't even think all of my hair products would fit
That is
in
tight.
there.
It's a nice lawn.
Yeah, you wouldn't
well
really have
kept.
to do much with the grass. That's
Yeah.
nice.
I like the steps leading up. I like it.
Hello.
Landscaping.
Hi.
How are you guys today?
How are you?
Good.
Good. This home could be the one for them because there's so much space for the money. It's in a great neighborhood, and the kitchen has been completely gutted and redone fabulously. They're in the process of moving out, so everything's a little bit jumbled up.
Okay.
Hardwood floors throughout the main
Okay.
level.
Very nice.
I'm not crazy about this color of hardwood, but it is nice.
Little
like
orangey
that?
for you.
Yeah, a little bit, a little dated.
This is a really nice sized dining room.
Yeah, this
I like
is
having
a
the
good size.
dedicated dining room, especially with family coming over
Yeah.
more regularly. That'd be nice.
Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful.
Wow, look at this.
Beautiful quartz countertops.
Yeah.
All new
That's
cabinets, new flooring.
I could be very comfortable. Wow, what a
a good
great
space.
yard.
And then beyond that, there's actually a city park over there.
Oh, wow.
And then
oh,
that.
we drove in and saw
Yeah.
that.
Saw the walkway.
The girls, I could totally see them playing outside in the yard here. There's definitely just a cozy feel. And as we move back to family, it's all about family, I think, in this neighborhood.
There's no fencing,
And we'd have to do that for the dogs.
and this is listed at $425, right?
Yes, this is at the top end of what you wanted to spend,
It's,
for sure.
It's more than the top end.
It's
Well,
above his top
We're adding in
end.
a fence.
Yes. Elizabeth said she could go up to that.
I didn't see any camper parking out front.
No camper parking. This is going to be
Which is,
a rough thing to find
disappointing.
in this town.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. This is a
Oh
good
my
size.
gosh, yeah.
Nice big window. I love that.
Bathroom is over here.
So this is yeah, updated sinks at least.
Do you think these seem updated?
Do they not seem updated to
Those do
you?
not seem updated to me.
Well, at least we have double sinks.
We do have double
That's
sinks.
helpful.
I feel like I'd want to paint all of these.
Paint all the wood.
Yeah.
It'd be a
Would you need to
project.
update it
A
all?
lot of paint. I love this too. This is cute.
Cozy
That's-
little wood burning
I feel like that's
stove.
kind of the first pop of charm I've seen.
Usually there's just a bonus room downstairs. This one has a bonus house.
Okay. This is getting very big.
This is kitchen number 2.
Oh my gosh.
A whole
Okay.
nother kitchen. So you could have your entire family move in.
Do we need a second kitchen?
I don't know if we need it. I mean, it's cool. We could definitely host holidays here. There would be no limit. Just about all of our family that's over in Indiana could fit in this house at one time. Guess they're working on the grass.
Yeah, that'll take some time.
Yeah.
It's all right.
It's gonna be quiet out here in the middle
Yeah.
of the cornfield.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys today?
We're good. How are you?
I felt like I should bring them here because it is brand new construction and it's well below the price that they were hoping for. Kyle will be very happy.
I love the bricks on the outside.
There's a nod to Craftsman here with the spindles and things
Yeah, I
like
like that. It's got the curved
Yeah.
corners too. Nice lines. Nice
Open.
open
Yeah.
space in the living area.
Right.
I like this.
Fireplace.
It's a beautiful fireplace.
Very cool.
So come on and check out
Okay.
this screen porch.
Oh, pretty.
It's got 2x4 construction, so it's very well built.
This is lovely.
We'd have
Yeah.
to fence it as well.
Right. Yeah, that's
It's gonna
true.
add to the cost, but we got some wiggle room now. So that
That's
helps.
true.
Nice natural light coming in from the windows too.
Yes.
It's
That'll
not.
work.
There's not a ton of storage in here.
But look at this. This is
Oh,
what you were
farmhouse.
wanting.
Yes.
Yay.
Very good. Thank you.
One
That's what I'm looking
touch.
for.
All one
I like
sink.
the color scheme too. The
do.
black
Yes.
against the gray.
It's not huge. I'm just thinking about like getting like our dining table in here and then
Yeah.
enough furniture. So we might just feel a little,
Cramped.
Cramped.
So nice sized family room.
Yeah.
And it's walkout, so you get your daylight that you were looking for.
Okay.
Any chance of sneaking a camper back here?
Not unless you get that crane we talked about earlier.
Not quite. Still no camper parking to be found. I think it might be a pipe dream at this point.
This could be your office in here.
Okay.
Guest bedroom?
Yep.
Maybe?
You're not gonna have a guest bedroom and a separate
Okay.
office, so that's one of the downsides.
Yeah,
Okay, so
that puts me back where I am now, sharing, which I don't love.
So the girls' bedrooms will be right beside each other.
Okay. This would be a shared wall, though. So one of them's going to be sleeping in a room that is shared. So
right,
you know.
right.
Right.
And they're not quiet children.
No, and we don't want them to have to be.
But I think
don't want to have to
it
tell
seems like
them
it's
to.
pretty solid construction
Right.
all around the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I doubt there'd be huge issues.
Yeah, but if there was, I mean, what do you do?
So vaulted ceilings in the primary,
Oh, I love
Okay.
that.
and huge walk-in closet over there.
That is nice.
I like the,
Oh, wow,
the
look at this
colors, the
closet.
gray walls.
Yeah, it's
I
very
really like.
soothing and very
Yeah.
contemporary.
You want to go see the new house with mommy?
Like the white and the black? We chose the remodeled ranch. Pretty much brand new inside and out, so we're not gonna have to spend a whole lot of money updating it. Besides that one bedroom downstairs, it has the separate office space and guest room for her. Has a perfect sized backyard for the girls and the dogs.
And it doesn't have RV parking, so it's perfect.
I knew that was gonna be a lost cause by the end of it. I think we'll put
Is
some,
this where the piano's gonna go?
yeah,
In
the
here?
piano will go right there.
Piano?
I love the built-ins, and it's got some history to it.
I'm so glad they didn't get rid of all this when they redid
I know,
know.
it just gives it a little bit of character. They wanted $399.9, and we were actually able to get it for $390, which was great.
We were able to negotiate to get the fence fixed, so that decreases our overhead a little bit as well. Are you guys playing hide and seek?
Peekaboo.
This house is gonna be huge for the girls. They're gonna start really building some long-term memories here.
I see us having cookouts out back and eating on the screened-in porch. See the girls running around in the backyard chasing the dogs.
Is this our room? This is the guest room?
This is your room.
Yours,
Oh,
what do you think?
nice. I
Nice.
like it.